Google Pixel 9a, AI magic made simple. The Google Pixel 9a is here, bringing powerful AI features, an exceptional camera, and long-lasting battery life, all at an affordable price. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a multitasker, or someone who just wants a reliable smartphone, the Pixel 9a delivers. Key features of the Pixel 9a. 1. Stunning camera with AI-powered tools. The Pixel 9a's dual camera system, 48MP wide plus 13MP ultrawide, lets you capture professional quality photos effortlessly. AI-enhanced features include Magic Editor, reframe and enhance images with a tap. Best Take, combine multiple shots for the perfect group photo. Night Sight, bright, clear photos even in low light. Macro Focus, get sharp close-up shots. 2. Long-lasting battery. With 30 plus hours of battery life, and up to 100 hours with extreme battery saver, the Pixel 9a keeps up with your busiest days. 3. Durable and water-resistant design. The Pixel 9a is built to last with an IP68 rating, meaning it can handle dust, spills, and accidental drops. 4. Built-in AI assistant, Gemini. Write, plan, and multitask using just your voice. Live translation for calls and messages. AI-powered creative tools in Pixel Studio for fun stickers and memes. 5. 7 years of security updates. Google guarantees 7 years of software and security updates, keeping your Pixel 9a fast and secure for years. Pixel 9a. Feature Pixel 9a. Display 6.3 inches Actua. Camera 48MP plus 13MP. Battery 30 plus hours. Storage up to 256 GB. Final thoughts. The Google Pixel 9a is the perfect blend of AI smarts, camera excellence, and affordability. Whether you're upgrading or buying your first Pixel, this phone delivers Google's best features without the premium price tag.